Get ready with me today. We are using the Cheek and Lip Tints by Lemongrass Spa, and this is all going to be done under 5 minutes. First up, I'm going to show you the Desert Cheek and Lip Tint. I'm using this kind of to contour. I'm going underneath my cheekbones there to kind of create that definition. I am also going around my forehead and underneath my chin just to create some definition. Kind of imagine it as if you're kind of creating shadows. This is the rose colored tint, just kind of giving a little bit of blush right above the contouring. I'm using the Chiffon tint to create highlights. So this is essentially, think of anywhere that will be raised that you really want to emphasize. Cheekbones, nose, and chin, as well as above the eyes, just to create more of a definition. And I love the glow that comes with Chiffon. I'm going to show you how to blend just with your fingers because anybody can do that. Normally I prefer to use the kabuki brush, but I wanted to show you how easy it is and how blendable it is with your fingers alone. So I'm using one finger to do the darker shades, and then you see I'm switching to a different finger to do the lighter shades so that they don't get mixed up. I really want them to stay in the areas I originally designed them to really highlight and to contour. Switching back to my other fingers that are the little darker colors, just so that it blends nicely. You can see immediately how this cream turns to powder. I just love how easy it is to blend. And that is like the easiest highlight and contouring and blush using Chiffon, Desert, and Rose. Now I'm going to show you how to do your eyes. Grabbing an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to show you how you just use the tint. This is the Boysenberry color tint, and I love it. It can go right on the brush. You can imagine and see just how easy this application is. I'm going to focus on really where the crease of your eye is. It's going to make it more awake, and especially when you have hooded eyes or semi-hooded eyes like I do, this really opens your eyes up a lot. I love using this brush, and I love that I can use a tint for it. This eyeshadow brush is flatter, as you can see, so it's going to allow me to get underneath my eyelashes just to create a little more definition underneath. I like to do this instead of eyeliner. It's a much more, I think, more modern, trendy way to replace the eyeliner. You can see how easy it would be to create a cat eye using this brush as well. And remember, at this point, we're still using the Cheek and Lip Tint, but you can see it makes an amazing eyeshadow eyeliner because that cream turns to a powder. You could do this part with your fingers, but I'm going to show you with the blending eyeshadow brush how easy it is just to blend that all together so it's very kind of smooth transition on your eyes. It's not so abrupt. I love this look. It's so easy to do, but what if you wanted to use more than one color? I keep a cloth handy and just blend that out. Now we're going to grab the Chiffon color. Remember, we use this as a highlighter on my face. And I'm going to just add it towards closer to the nose. And what that does is it creates more of a highlight effect. It really opens up the eyes. Just that lighter color. It's going to also provide some shimmer. And that always looks really nice. Above the, or right underneath the eyebrows is also going to create a highlight effect to that. You see how easy it is to pull the color from the tube. Now I'm cleaning my brush off a little bit just so that I can blend it all very nicely. But wait, I almost forgot my favorite part. Grab the rose colored tint, and this goes right onto the lips. So this is a cream formula that will turn to powder. So I tend to put a little bit of hydration on top of it, but honestly, I love the matte look. This is the Cheek and Lip Tint Quartet. You can buy them as a quartet. And here is our final look. You get the full view of it. I love this tutorial. And I love these tints by Lemongrass Spa.